Have you ever thought about what holds you up? It's your bones. This amazing framework lets us stand tall, move around, and do all sorts of things. Without bones, we'd be like jellyfish, flopping around on the ground. Bones are tough and strong, but they're also light enough that we can move easily. Our bones are pretty amazing when you think about it. They're hidden inside us, doing their job day and night. In this exploration of the body, we're going to learn all about bones. It's time to give our skeletons the attention they deserve. Bones are more than just hard things inside us. They're alive. Bones are made of living cells and strong materials. The outside of a bone is hard and smooth. It's like a shell that protects the inside. Inside the hard outer layer, there's spongy bone. It looks a bit like a honeycomb with lots of little spaces. These spaces make bones lighter so we can move easily. But don't let that fool you. Bones are tough. They need to be strong to support our bodies and protect our organs. Just like people come in different shapes and sizes, so do bones. There are 4 main types of bones: long, short, flat, and irregular. Long bones are found in our arms and legs. They help us reach, kick, and run. Short bones are found in our wrists and ankles. They allow for flexible movement. Flat bones, like our ribs and skull, protect our organs. And then there are irregular bones, which have odd shapes and do important jobs. Think about your spine. All those weirdly shaped bones let you bend and twist. Imagine a building without beams and columns. It would just collapse. Bones are like the beams and columns of our body. Our skeleton gives our body its shape and provides a framework for everything else. Without our skeleton, we wouldn't be able to stand upright or even hold our heads up. Our spine is a good example. It's made up of small bones called vertebrae. These bones stack on top of each other, supporting our head, neck, and back. Without our spine, we'd be like floppy noodles. Section 5. Moving right along, bones in action. Bones might seem stiff and still, but they play a big part in how we move. Think about bending your arm. Your muscles contract, pulling on your arm bone and making it move. Muscles and bones work together like a team. Bones provide the leverage and muscles provide the power. Without bones, our muscles would have nothing to pull against. We wouldn't be able to walk, run, jump, or even wiggle our toes. Bones do more than just help us move. They also protect our delicate organs. Think about your skull. It's like a hard helmet that protects your brain. Your ribs form a cage around your heart and lungs, shielding them from injury. Even our pelvis helps protect our bladder and reproductive organs. Bones are like our body's own suit of armor, keeping our vital parts safe and sound. Here's something you might not know. Bones are like tiny factories that produce blood cells. Inside our bones is a soft material called bone marrow. This marrow is responsible for making red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Red blood cells carry oxygen throughout our bodies, white blood cells fight off infections, and platelets help our blood clot. So next time you get a cut and your blood clots, thank your bone marrow. Bones are also important for storing minerals, especially calcium. Calcium is essential for strong bones and teeth. When our bodies need calcium, they can actually take it from our bones. This is why it's important to eat foods rich in calcium, like milk, cheese, and yogurt. It's like making a deposit in our bones' calcium bank. When we don't get enough calcium in our diet, our bones can become weak and brittle. Bones are essential for our survival. They support our bodies, allow us to move, protect our organs, produce blood cells, and store minerals. Without bones, we simply couldn't function. So next time you think about your body, remember to give your bones some appreciation. Fun fact: did you know that babies are born with more bones than adults? It's true. Babies have around 300 bones, while adults have 206. As we grow, some of our bones fuse together, making them stronger and more stable.